Hi friends, I'm OP Singh and you are watching Filmy World with OP. Another big movie of Tamil, and that is Master of Vijay. Vijay is the hero and the movie is Master. It's also going to OTT. This is the rumor. There is always a smoke when there is a fire. And rumor is that this big movie is going to be streamed on OTT. This movie is produced by Xavier Brito and under the banner of HB Films. And the hero is Vijay and heroine is Malvika Mohanan. If sources is to be believed, then this movie Master is streaming on OTT platform. Name of the channel is not known yet, but it is learned that this movie has been sold for 150 crores. And you know that why these movies, it is the second one. The first one was Pawan Magal Bandal of Shiva 2D Entertainment. Now this one. This is also a big movie. And if it will also go to OTT, then there will be a problem. Problem for theatre owners. Theatre owners have already given a warning to Shiva's company 2D Entertainment. They have told them that they will not release any movie of Shiva. Now if Vijay's movie also going to OTT platform, what the theatre owners will do? I don't think there is much left for doing, because crores of rupees is involved in the movie, and if it is delayed for 2 months, 3 months, 4, 6, 1 year, they will be in great loss. Nobody knows when this lockdown will be over, when the theatre will be open. At present, all the theatres are temporarily closed and there is no permission. And the cases are rising day by day in many states, including Tamil Nadu. And this is such a dangerous virus that it is killing people. So the theatre will not open so shortly, it seems. Even it is going to be open, it will be a great problem for the theatre owners. How they are going to release the movie, what will be the seating arrangements, so many things. Vijay is very popular in masses and he has a big fan following. And the question is, if this movie is going to OTT, all the fan of Vijay will be disappointed, because everybody is not having an internet connection on his mobile or at his residence. Even then, you are having an internet connection, you will not be able to see the movie unless you just pay the subscription. You have to subscribe to that particular OTT channel, whether it is Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Hotstar. You have to pay for everything. Without paying, you cannot watch a single movie. The thing is, when the millions of fans of Vijay, they don't have internet connection, how they will watch? It will be a great problem for the producers and for the heroes of the movie. And Vijay is very ambitious to make his career in politics, so he will not like that the movie is going to OTT. But the big question is, then who is going to pay the interest for the delay? If the film is delayed for 6 months, you know that what would be the interest of crores of rupees involved in making of the movie, the producers, whether they will be able to sustain so long. Producers are in a dilemma that whether they should go to OTT, they should sell it for 150 crores, which is a very good amount they are getting for their film movie. And the movie is going to be released in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam and Hindi. So many languages. So that the movie will earn more and more. The another problem for the producers is, if they are going to release the movie on OTT platform, they are selling the right of this movie to any, suppose they have sold it to Amazon Prime, then there is no point. They cannot release on theatre, and theatres will not accept the movie. That is the trend there. If you are releasing your movie on OTT platform, they will not release your movie in theatre. That is a big problem. Then what is the point in releasing in so many languages? No point. And after all, if the producer is getting the good money, 150 crores for OTT platform right, digital right, it is okay for him. He can earn money from selling the music right and selling abroad right. There are so many rights which he can sell and earn money. If it is going to be released on OTT platform, suppose on Amazon Prime, Vijay and his fans will be disappointed. And moreover, once the movie is complete, it is the property of the producers or production house, not the hero or the heroine. Malvika Mohan has also done a good job in this movie, as we learn, and Vijay has done good like always. Trailer of this movie Master is already released, and fans are very much keen to see the movie. But again that same question, whether it will be released on OTT or on theatre, or if on theatre, when, there is no answer. There is no answer, nobody has an answer right now. How much time it will take? God knows. Only God knows. Because there is no vaccine out for this COVID-19 pandemic. Unless the vaccine is out, danger will be always there, going to a cinema hall or going to a crowded place. So the first and foremost thing is safety of the people, health of the people. Okay friends, if you like this episode, please subscribe. If you have not done so, like and share. Thank you for watching.